The race is on the way. Kadayawan, Simply Elegant. Then moving up in between runners is the favorite Misty Loy running on the outside. Is Silver Tongue, then followed by I Don't Mind. King House is by the rail as they race towards the half mopo. Kadayawan this time by about 2 lengths. Running now in second, Misty Loy, then followed by Simply Elegant. Silver Tongue comes next, followed by King House. I Don't Mind running second last, and as they race towards the 450, we have Kadayawan just in front. Misty Loy moving up by the rail, and now grabbing the lead. Now they are all after Misty Loy. This time by about a length and a half. Kadayawan running on the outside. Simply Elegant. King House is by the roll. Silver Tongue. Then moving up, I Don't Mind. And down the stretch and nearing the finish line, we have runner number 3, Misty Loy, followed now by King House in second. And finally, Misty Loy, King House, Kadayawan, Silver Tongue, I Don't Mind, Simply Elegant, Sky Tripper, and Gallstone.